Okay, here is a really fun AR or augmented reality spelling app that you can use with your littles. Just fun way to try to spell new words. Go find Catchy Words AR in the App Store. The demo I'm going to show is iOS, but Android does have the version as well. So as you can see here, I just opened up the app. You have to burst the bubble with your device and then letters go flying. So these are all pre-programmed words at first. And so what you do is you take it, I'm grabbing the letters with my iPad. You can do this with your phone also, and then placing them in these squares. So when I first put all the letters in there, it is technically a word, Sue, but it wasn't the correct word. So I had to re-grab a letter out and replace it. And now I have that, and it does like a big celebration. One of the nice things about Catchy Words AR is you can actually add in your own words. So I had 3 already in there that I can edit, but I'm adding a new one alone. And then when I push the play button, it'll go through those 4 words that I have sitting there. So again, breaking the bubble. So what's really nice about this is if you have spelling words for that week, or if you were practicing certain words with a student, you can program these into the iPad and they can practice these over and over again all week if you want them to. I know this video ended up being a little bit longer than I usually do. I wanted to show that full demo to show the pre-programmed word, but also how you can add in your own words into there. Just fun, entertaining. I had fun with it. Kids get them up out of their seat, playing with this and learning to spell their words. I hope your students have fun. Follow me for more tips like this.